Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new and viewing, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing a wig that was sent over from UNice Hair. They sent over this beautiful 5x5 lace wig. It is 24 inches of just luxury hair, you guys. This hair feels so good. That was like one of the first things I noticed when I popped the package open. So I did bleach the knots. If you guys want a more detailed video on how I bleach my knots, I can link one of the videos in my description bar below. So what I'm going to do first is just pluck out the front of the hairline. It does come slightly pre-plucked. It's not super duper full, but I wanted it just a little bit less in the front. It makes it look a little more natural. And I'm not going to do extensive plucking. I'm just doing a little bit so that you can see more of a natural hairline effect. I tend to pluck a lot more out towards the outer area of the unit. And then towards the middle, I kind of leave that a little bit more full. Y'all gonna have to excuse all of my dancing and singing throughout this video. I had my music playing while I was filming today's video. And when I hear good music, it's just I can't help but like sing along and dance. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are like that, especially when you hear like your favorite song. So I apologize if you see a lot of that going on in the video. So as you can see, plucking definitely takes some time and focus and work. But once you get finished though, it's all worth it. You know, your arm being sore, hand being sore, all of that, it's so worth it once you get that unit plucked out, because you're like, dang, this looks so much better now that I'm plucked this lace out. So I'm going to get all of those extra hairs out of the hair and then, you know, just get my hair pushed back using my hot comb. I also use my wax stick just to make sure the flyaways are out of my face. And I do comb all of the hair back, and then I just do a little bit of extra plucking in areas that I see that are needed. So you can see already that that lace is looking real good, y'all. That plucking was definitely necessary. So the good thing is, when it comes to these like 5x5 lace closures or 4x4, 6x6, I appreciate not having to do all that work with my lace, okay? Because I don't know if it's like that for a bunch of people, but for me personally, it is always so hard to get like the ear area of your lace to stay down. Like the middle of your face, it'll stay just fine. It'll stay, it won't move, but those little ear areas, man, I always want to lift. Okay, so when I get closure wigs, I'm really honestly super excited about it. It don't faze me. I like it because it's just a lot more easier to install. And I'm installing my wig glueless today. I'm just using freeze spray to hold it in place. So I want you guys to see what the hair looks like fresh wash and brush out. It's super duper full, soft. Like, this is some great quality hair. So I'm gonna move on to some curls. I wanted just some like full bouncy curls, and I'm using this curling wand that I got from Amazon. And I'm not sure if it's still available, but if it is, you can find it in my Amazon favorites linked below in my description bar. I will put it there, but it comes with like, I want to say 6 different curling wand pieces, so you can detach them and put what size you want on. And it's been lasting me for a while. I've had it for like 3 years, I think, and it's still working really good. I really like this curling wand. I just don't pull it out as often. so I just want to show you guys what those curls are looking like. They were looking real pretty. I'm not going to do like a super detailed curling video because we all know what curling hair looks like. If you guys want one of those, let me know in the comment section below. I can film one for you. So now we're just going to move on to the top of my hair, working with this lace again. I'm using that same wax stick and my hot comb to flatten out the roots, you know, get the lace as flat as possible, so we're not looking like helmet head. And I decided to go with a side part today. And yes, a side part is extremely possible, even with a closure wig. I know sometimes people feel like they're limited when it comes to closure wigs, but you can still do a lot of looks with closures as well. So I'm just going to work on the top of my hair, adding some curls in. And then once I got those baby hairs done, that was pretty much it, y'all. There wasn't really much left to do. A little finishing touches here and there, adding a few more curls, playing with my hot comb some more, making sure everything is flat, secure. But that was it. And I have to say that I am in love with this hair. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's just like, it's so sleek and shiny. And did I say full? I think I already said full, but y'all, this hair is so full. And I am a sucker, a huge fan of some nice full hair, okay? And that's what this was giving. So I also want to throw in there, you guys, the combs are in the side. So I know, like lace closures, you might be thinking that you can't like secure it that well, but they do have combs in it as well, just to make sure that your wig doesn't slide or move or anything like that. So just keep that in mind if you do want to get yourself a closure. It also has adjustable straps in the back as well as another comb, so there's security all around the entire wig. So that's all I have for you all today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought about today's hair. Would you be trying it? Thank you to UNice. Thank you so much for watching, you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.